Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall and reinstall Group Music app on your Windows 11 computer. So for this, go to the start menu and then click on settings to open Windows 11 settings, or you can make a right click on the start menu and then click on settings. Now go to apps. Now click on apps and features. Now in the search box you can go ahead and type in Groove Music, and then once you find Groove Music, in front of it here you can see three dots. Click on it and then click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall once again, and this will go ahead and uninstall Groove Music from your Windows 11 computer. Now in case if you want to reinstall Groove Music, in that case you can open Microsoft Store. So just type in Store in Windows search box and then click on Microsoft Store. Now on the top in the search box over here you can go ahead and type in Groove and then click on Groove Music app, and over here you will see the free or install option over here. So click on free, or you will see the install option, and after the installation you can go ahead and launch Groove Music. So this is how you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Groove Music on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.